Start with Doc's Diesel. Today we're going to be changing the fuel filter on a 2011 POWERSTROKE.
So for the lower fuel filter, it takes a 32mm socket. We want to go ahead and unplug the sensor first. Before we do that,
Wow.
yeah, it's been in there a while.
This truck has two fuel filters.
Yes, the other one's underneath the truck, the other one's up here on top of the motor. We'll go ahead and get this one changed out now. So we'll first start by taking off these, unclipping these lines. Pull back. It will leak out a little bit of diesel fuel, but make sure you don't pull these lines back too far where it crimps them and kinks them. So on some models you'll have to loosen this 7mm bolt here. Turn it and lift it up.
That looks like it's been on there for a while too.
Yeah.
Definitely due for a change.
For a new one, take these covers off. Slide down in here. And then twist it back. Lock it. And then we'll tighten the bolt back up.
How often do you recommend changing these?
Usually every 10,000 to 30,000 miles. Once we get the cap off the old filter, we'll take a pick and get the O-ring off of here and replace it.
Greasing up the O-ring to...
Yep, just put a little bit of grease on it so that way it slides on and comes back off next time you change the filter. So next we'll take our filter, snap it into our cap here, and spin it on.
So is that it then for the filter change?
We'll go in and we'll cycle the key about 3 times, let the fuel filters prime up and fill up the fuel, and then we'll go ahead and start the engine. We'll go ahead and cycle the key a couple times, get those filters to prime up. We'll go ahead and start it.
That it then?
Yep, that should do it.